Alright guys, check this out. He's got a stack of stuff sitting here on top of my cooler. He's got himself a head deck. He's got him some door speakers here to replace. Looks like there's some tweeters and a dash kit in there. You see that? 1500 watt AB class amplifier, blah punt. I think it's a 4-channel he's got. The head deck comes with, let's see, let's get in here a little closer guys, check this out. It's got a Boss audio systems, Bluetooth, DVD, all that good stuff. 320 watts for 4 channels. That really doesn't make a whole lot of difference to us guys. What is cool is that it comes with a backup camera. It's got a remote for him. I think he has the thumb control for the steering wheel in there too. But see, it's got a whole list of every thing you could think of. Oh, it's got an SD card too. That's pretty cool. But it comes with a backup camera, which is pretty slick. We're gonna see if we can get all that ran and set up for him too. That'd be real nice. I mean, he's definitely gonna want that hooked up and going. Let's see what's in the box, guys. I haven't opened this myself. Let's see. They got all the install cables, it looks like. Lots of install stuffs. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice, guys. That's nice. Got all that stuff. Let's see. I don't know where he wants to put these. Got a pair of Alpines. These would be nice. Definitely be nice, guys. I don't know where he wants to put these though exactly. Let's see. There's manuals and stuff for that. What do you pick up here? Let's see. Boss audio systems. Man, there's kind of a glare. They're 5x7 3-way full range speakers. There's a pair of them in there. 300 watt peak power. Looks like let's see here. Woo! Let's flip it around. Alright, 5x7. Those are both identical. I don't know where he picked these up. I'm assuming Walmart or AutoZone. Maybe bought them online or something. Not bad, not bad. Randy Woods would be jamming. Look, and he went with all the red accents to match his bright red paint. Good eye for detail, sir. Blah pump. 1500 watt AB class amplifier. Nice, nice, nice. 2 ohm stable, 1500 watt by 4. The 4 ohm RMS. That's what we're going to run, I do believe. What do the speakers say? 3-way, full range speakers. Let's see. I'm assuming they're 4 ohm. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Specifications, mag power, normal impedance, 4 ohms. There it is. Boom. So in case you guys are wondering, there you go. 4 ohms. And he's 2 ohm stable. So this will work for 4 ohm. He'll be pushing 150 watts a channel by 4 channels at his 4 ohms. So this will be plenty good. He'll be jamming, guys. Jamming, jamming. And this is a nice looking amp. I had a look at it. I put it all back here in the box for him. Keep it nice and safe and sound. But this is definitely a nice looking amp, guys. I'm kind of excited to get this in and get this done for him. So we're going to dig in here. I think maybe I might be missing a couple things. We'll see. But we're going to dig in here and see what he's got, and we're going to get started. So in the next clip, we'll have some progress. We'll see you in a minute, guys. Keep on trapping. What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are back here in the trapway. Look at that. It's early. Everybody's going to work. It's about 3:45 in the morning. I am tired. We didn't have a good night. We did not. I could not get the stereo out for the life of me. The stock stereo, it's 2 little holes on each side. There's a tool. It's just a little U piece. It's got a little clamp on each side. You push it in, you hear it click, you pull them apart, and the head deck should slide right out. Driver's side comes out. Passenger side won't budge. I fought with that thing for hours. I have a knot in my back. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to figure that out, see if there's another way to get that head deck out of there, and then we can go on from there. But it pretty much delayed everything, guys. It's pretty bad. Kind of frustrating. I was hoping to get all that in and get a good video to show everybody, but you guys will have to check back on that when I have some progress and some updates on that. I'll definitely let you know. That one got me tonight, guys. That one got me. But I'm tired. I gotta go catch a few Z's. I'm gonna shut these lights off. I got the Equinox moved back here finally. Yeah, I'm shutting this stuff down and we're calling it a wrap, guys. We'll see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.